Okay na?
Excited na?
Hello everyone. Good morning.
I have a question. First, could you telling me about yourself and describe your background in your village?
Hello, good morning. I'm Edelisa Sardenia, married with 3 beautiful, loving children, namely Jacob, Eder Jessie, and Brother Joy, the beautiful daughters. I am 47 years old and graduating of Hotel and Restaurant Management at La Consolacion College last of year of 1998. I don't normally mingle to anybody group because of my age difference we have, especially in school. But I'm really easy to go along to and friendly when we are outside the school premises. I take my studies seriously, diligently, and really focus myself on the subject matter at hand whenever I'm in the class. So I apologize to those who think that I'm the snobbish whenever we are in the school premises. Lastly, I'm really eager to learn more about caregivers, as it's really helped me to take good care of my parents, especially my father, when he really got sick and just recently passed away. Now I'm doing my very best to take care of my mother as she begins to have healthy issues because of her old age. Thank you for the opportunity, and may we all have a nice day and learn a lot more in this orientation seminar.
And number 2, why did you decide to apply for this caregiver position?
I decided to apply for the caregiver position because I think this is what I really should have been doing before. I have learned a lot since I got married, starting for taking care of my first born child, Jacob. Learn the basic procedures of formula, preparation, proper bathing of newborn babies. I have done all of this to my children, and now that they have grown and my parents has gotten older, I already know somehow that basic procedures to take good care of them. Food properly, diets and exercises needed to maintain for their health, most especially when pandemic COVID struck yun in 2019. That's why I enrolled in this course to add more knowledge, wisdom to what I really have, and equips myself if ever I'll be given the opportunity to work abroad as a caregiver. It also gives me strength and confidence to face whatever challenge that lies ahead for being a good caregiver.
And number 3, where do you see yourself in the 5 years?
But the 5 years from now, I imagine myself as a successful caregiver. Already, I should be working in a good hospital at that time and should be holding a supervisor position. I would likely prepare to work with the elderly rather than work with children. That experience that I have gotten in this school couple with the community service I have made helps me to this conclusion that working with the elderly will be the best for me. Not to mention the experience that I have had when I take care of my father during the COVID pandemic, which I myself took care of my father when there was rushed to the hospital to be guaranteed.
4, age group of patients you want to handle and why?
I prefer to work with the elder rather than work when have children. That experience that I have gotten in this school couple with the community service I have made helps me to this conclusion that working is the elderly will be the best for me.
And the last, given a chance to work abroad, in which country do you want to work and why?
I given the chance to work abroad, I would likely pick United States of America, USA, of the land down under the Australia. Not only that they give good salary for about hour, but they also give migrant workers and the opportunity to their loved ones and the family with them.
6. How do you handle with pressure of a stressful situation at work?
Ideal or manage pressure and stressfully situation at work with calmness and with presence of mind. I analyze, observe, ask about the real problem is any carefully to research for the best possible cure as the professional what will be the good plan to address such kinds of the problem. I don't usually conclude these things at an instance. I determine the problem first, seek professional advice from the professional, administer the proper solution of the problem of the hand.
7. What are the competence you are possessed as a caregiver?
From the competence for types of competence for me, I possesses of caregiver as follows: communication skills. The communication skills is able to participate in the workplace communication. Flexibility skills, able to participate work and term environment. Interpersonal skills such as practicing career professionalism with my fellow caregivers mentors. Healthy monitoring skills by practicing occupationally health standards and safety procedures. Implementing and monitoring infection control policies and procedures. But by the last is patient and problem solving skills, responding effectively that difficult challenging behavior, applying basic first aid and maintain high standard for patient service.
8. Do you prefer working independently or your team and why?
I prefer working in a team, but I don't have any problem working independently, especially if the problem I had within the scope of my especially working in a team is more likely the success efficiently, because I will believe in the saying two or more heads are better than one. The more thinking brains, that is the better the chance for solving whatever problem. There is the higher percentage of good results will be achieved.
9. When you're balancing multiple projects, how do you keep yourself organized?
When I balancing multiple tasks, I keep myself organized for focusing myself to the most priority task, and I normally do one task of the time. I plan my time and take care of myself in order to finish the task when given to me. I'm not assured to collaborate and delegate to others by tasks, especially when tasks hand and sense of urgency to it. That is why it's really as much to work of the team.
10.
Mhm.
What is one of your weaknesses and how do you overcome it?
But the lastly to your question is, one of the weaknesses is trying to do everything necessary to achieve and do my ask, and I'm trying to overcome these weaknesses of mine by working with a team of the group and really feel good, especially when we did not community service. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much.